Few days ago, a framework has been launched named pyscript. So is it like Python plus JavaScript? Okay, whatever. In today's video, I'm going to cover simple overview over pyscript, try to embed Python in HTML, and in last, we are going to make a project with pyscript. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to the Terminal Boy. We already made a full tutorial playlist about pyscript. Go and check it out. We are here, the official website of pyscript, pyscript.net. I'm going to provide all the link in the description. Okay, don't worry. So run Python in your HTML. Okay, in here you can download and install. The installation process, I'm going to show the all practical videos, so don't worry about it. Okay, say hello to pyscript. Pyscript is a framework that allows user to create rich Python application in the browser using HTML interface. Okay, you can use your HTML interface to create a rich Python application. Okay, we'll do it. Python aims to give users a first-class programming language that has consistent styling rules, is more expressive and easier to learn. Okay, you can embed your Python code object-oriented language. Python is your object-oriented language. Okay, so you can embed your code in HTML very easily. Okay, in here, look, what is pyscript? Well, here are some core components they are covering here. So I'm not going to read all of them. Okay, you read by your own responsibility. I'm not going to read this. Okay, let's go for the practical video. Okay, we are going to make a simple application. Okay, at first we are going to make a simple HTML file and we write down some HTML code. Okay, like simple, the boiler template. Okay, we are done. We write down welcome the terminal boy. Okay, let's install the pyscript here. So actually it's not install. Look at here. Just kidding. You don't need to install anything. You just need to copy these two lines of this code of your header file in header. Okay. In your header section, you have to add this two line of code. Just add it. Okay, let's make a simple magic here. It's magic time. So we're going to print hello world in there. So at first, before we use this script, we have to write down here pyscript. Yeah, just like HTML tag. Pyscript also HTML tag that helps you to print hello world in there. Like Python scripts, Python code, it helps you to print it there. Okay. We write Python print hello world and let's save it and it will automatically show you hello world in there. Okay, we successfully print hello world. Okay, let's try to import some packages. Import some packages like numpy, okay, like time, anything. We just import some packages and after that we are going to use it in our HTML. So for importing the package, you have also a tag and you have to put it down in the header section. Okay, pynv. Yeah, just now we are going to write down the package name. Just making some plot here, div id, and then we are going to make a plot. And in pyscript, we just make the command like the pyscript output will be print in the plot section. Okay, it's like object-oriented programming. I'm talking like this. Okay. Okay, so in here we just delete our hello world and we're going to write down a random, like any simple example of graph or bar chart or a static graph here, just to show that our code is working perfectly here. Okay. Okay, let's run the code. I hope it will run successfully. It takes some time. Yeah, it's run successfully. So in here you just show, yeah, the dots here. Let's make a bar chart. Bar chart is more understandable. Let's make a bar chart. It's the same process. Let's make a bar chart. Okay, let's make a plotting histogram of standard normal distribution. Yeah, something like machine learning, difficult words. But yeah, it's easy. You can simple. Okay, let's run the program and you can see, yeah, it's print a bar chart. It's print a perfectly bar chart. Yeah, graph here. So let's make a inverted project here. I have a simple code like Roman to decimal converter. So we are going to print this full code in HTML. Okay, this is actually object-oriented language. Python is object-oriented language, so we are going to put it here in pyscript. So actually we don't have any packages here, so we are going to delete the package, and I'm just copy the code from there and print it here, and now run it. It's actually a Roman to decimal converter. This program like you can convert your Roman to decimal, and when you can convert decimal to Roman. When you input decimal, it will automatically convert it as a Roman. When you input Roman, it will automatically convert as decimal. Okay, let's try something. 7 minutes later. So here's our code is writing successfully. So yes, our code is working successfully. You can see when we input something, it automatically outputs something. So here's the first demonstration about pyscript. We're going to continue this playlist. I hope you guys like it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. You can join with us on social media platforms like Telegram, Instagram and Facebook. We are posting every day on there. Hope you like it and see you on the next one.